Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi sharing in Windows 11. So first of all, make sure you are connected to a primary device Wi-Fi. So let's get started. Go to Settings, open Settings, then tap on System tab. Now look for Nearby Sharing. As you can see here, tap on it. You will find three options here. So I will tell you what it means. My devices only will let you connect the files which are linked to your Microsoft account. And in everyone nearby, select this if you want to share files with devices regardless of the account you use. So I make sure you are connected to the everyone nearby. So guys, this was a short tutorial on how to connect nearby sharing in Windows 11. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Give a like and you can comment on any query if you want to. See you in next video.